The Highland Wash Insulated Bib Overall thrives across all terrains, climates, and conditions. Built for the working man in mind, these bibs have a 12-ounce 100% cotton duck shell fabric to ensure long-lasting durability. All main seams are triple needle stitched and reinforced with bar tacks at all stress points, providing extra stability. It also features a durable brass two-way front zipper that won't bust or break while on the job. The heavyweight insulation provides that perfect layer of warmth during those brutal winter work days. These bibs also have plenty of options to store your essentials, featuring 2 deep front pockets, chest pockets, reinforced hip pockets, and side utility pockets with a hammer loop. Customize the fit with easy adjustable elasticized bib straps and leg snaps to comfortably fit over your boots. Reinforced knees and heavy-duty nylon leg hems will keep these bibs looking good after a long duration of rugged use. The Highland Washed Insulated Bib Overall, built to withstand Mother Nature's coldest days.